Recently, we saw the official teaser videos and some hands-on photos of the Oneplus 12. Surprisingly, today we have a hands-on video of the Oneplus 12 and also some more hands-on photos of the phone. Finally, someone has already unboxed the Oneplus 12 and posted a hands-on video on the Chinese social media platform Weibo. Twitter user Amvin has posted a video of the Oneplus 12. It's a white color variant. Oneplus 12 in white and green colors. There will also be a black version. In China, all three colors will be available, but for the rest of the world, only the black and green options will be offered. The pictures might seem really nice because they are actually official and were shared by OnePlus China President Li Lewis. But there are more pictures on Weibo, not just the official ones. Another set of images shows a OnePlus 12 being used in real life. These photos reveal some details about the phone's hardware, and some of them we already know about. The OnePlus 12 will come in three options: 16 gigs RAM with 512 gigs storage, 16 gigs of RAM with 1 TB storage, and 24 gigs of RAM with 1 TB storage. It will have the model number PDJ110 and a 6.82-inch display. The display using a BOEX1 panel is an 8T LTPO OLED with 1440 x 3168 px resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. It has a peak brightness of 4500 nits in auto mode and uses 2160 Hz PLO dimming. The camera setup includes a 50-megapixel main camera, 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 64-megapixel 3x telephoto. The front camera is 32 megapixel, and the phone has a 5,400 mAh battery. What do you think about the OnePlus 12? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.